Hey guys, this is Justin and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 things you need to get started on YouTube in 2019. Stick around to the end of the video because we got a number 6 on the list just for you guys. That one you absolutely need. Don't miss it out. Why 2019? Why do I emphasize on 2019 so much? This is because YouTube has evolved and so are its content creators like you and me. It went from uncut raw shooting style to high-level productions videos nowadays, and it's getting harder and harder for beginners like you and me to get started. I realized that content is king. It matters to some people, but out of respect and appreciation for the viewers, let's at least try to make the videos a bit more comfortable to watch. Oh, by the way, thanks for watching this video. Here's a list of things that I've compiled based on my experience when I was just starting out. Number 1 on the list would be a camera or something that shoots video. It can be a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or even your phone. If you don't have a phone, just get it from your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, or even your friend. You know what? Hold on. Just hold on. ED， 过来一下。This is my buddy ED. So 可以接我电话吗？
干嘛？
要剪辑啊，剪片啊。
怎么剪？
用你电话剪啊。
你好幽默哦。
不要这样子啦，借我啦。
好。
Okay, it's that easy. I understand that not everybody has a camera when they're just starting out, so just use whatever you have right now. Just make sure that your footage is not too shaky and well lit and you're good to go. If you have a little bit of budget to spare, then I would recommend you the Canon EOS M50. It's a small lightweight camera that has tons of features and shoots up to 4K. It comes with a small price of only $32,000 on Lazada or $599 on Amazon. I'm not going to mention anything about camera lenses in this video because you should always buy a camera that comes with the kit lens, unless you're going for an upgrade or you're buying an extra. Find out how good is your kit lens in the video link in the top here, probably here, okay? I explained in that video on how good your kit lens can be and how to use it properly. If you're shooting with a camera, make sure that you have a decent memory card that comes from like SanDisk or Kingston or other big brands, because having a good memory card is absolutely important. Don't get your memory cards from no-brainers, OEMs or something like that, because you're going to regret if you lose your videos. Moving on to number 2 would be a microphone. It's really important to be heard, so don't overlook the audio aspect of your videos. A video with nice audio goes a long way compared to videos with horrible audio. It's much more enjoyable. My advice to you is to invest in an external microphone rather than using your onboard camera's internal microphone. Do not use it. If you're just starting out, then I would recommend you to get yourself a decent compact microphone like this one from Boya, which is the MM1 that costs only 899 pesos on Lazada or $39 on Amazon. Or you can always get a Rode VideoMicro like this one here that is selling only for $3,700 on Lazada, and I'm not sure how much, but it should be around $56 on Amazon. It works without batteries and it works just about anywhere. Just connect it to your phone or your camera. It works by the 3.5mm audio jack. If you guys are looking for a better microphone to use at home, then I would recommend you guys to get this Boya condenser mic that is selling only for $3,400 on Lazada or $69 on Amazon. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 would be a tripod or something to mount your camera or your phone onto. Nobody wants to see shaky footages or anything like that because they are just not comfortable to look at. Just get yourself a GorillaPod or a tripod to mount your phone or your camera on. Something like this from Joby works great, it lasts a long time, and the friction is really good between the legs. It's great for vlogging or interviews or anything that you're trying to shoot because it reduces the vibration from your hands to your camera or your phone. You can go really cheap on tripods if you're planning to use it stationary, like the one from YunTeng that is selling only for 398 pesos on Lazada and $28 on Amazon. Or you can get the one I'm using right now, which is the Benro Video Tripod KH25N that is selling for 6,800 on Lazada or $199 on Amazon. If you're just starting out, then don't get yourself any kind of gimbal. Yes, no doubt that they are good, but trust me, they are expensive and you are going to regret it. Number 4 would be lighting. Having a well-lit video makes all the difference because you can light up your subject or your background properly, and it's really nice to see. Also, it helps to elevate the quality of your videos. Well, if you don't have a budget for lighting equipment, then no problem. The sun is always there. Try to shoot outdoors, near the window, or anywhere that is well lit. You can't go wrong with that because it's free, it's awesome, and it's so easy to color grade as well. But if you do have a budget, like a little bit of budget, then I would recommend you to get a Yongnuo's YN300 LED light. It runs straight from the plug or by battery as well. And it's selling only for 2,200 on Lazada and $36 on Amazon. If you're good with your hands, good with your hands, then maybe you can get yourself to a hardware store and pick something up like a light socket, a light bulb, some wires, and a stand to be mounted on, alongside with some cloth to diffuse the light, and here we go, you have lighting already. Last but not least, which is number 5, a computer or a laptop, or somewhere to edit your videos on. Every video that you have shot needs to be edited. Get yourself a decent computer or laptop that maybe you already have with an external graphics card. It helps a lot, trust me, and you're good to go. I'm no computer or any kind of laptop expert, so I'm not going to recommend any of it, but I'm using Apple's 15-inch MacBook Pro from late 2013 that has like i7, 16GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD storage, as well as 2 GB of graphic card. I've been using this since 2013 and I'm using Premiere Pro with it, and it has been 6 years, but it still edits well, so I'm not going to change it. I'm not looking forward to shoot 4K anytime soon, but if I need, I will, and probably I'll upgrade my laptop or computer as well. If you don't have access to a computer or a laptop, then probably you can edit on your phone or tablet as well. If not, you know what? Get a good friend. Wait, hold on. Hydra! Hydra! So this is my friend, Hydra. Hydra.
Oh, what's up?
你可以借我 laptop 一下吗?
Okay, wait a minute.
You see? Such a good friend! Phones are getting more and more powerful, and there's a ton of like free and paid apps that is on the App Store and Google Play Store. So pretty much you are good to go. So here's the bonus thing that I promised you at the beginning of the video. Just get started. That's it. It's that simple. Well, I know it's not that simple because I myself procrastinated for a long time before I even posted my first video. I've shot a lot of videos that is in my laptop right now that I haven't edited or anything because probably I just don't have the courage to do it because it wasn't that good, not up to the standard that I really want. But you gotta stop giving yourself excuses. I find myself keep telling myself like 2019, really, with all those videos like being uploaded into YouTube every minute and you still wanna do it? I mean, isn't the competition big? Or something that I keep telling myself like, let's wait until we get this first. Let's wait until we get that light first, that video, that camera first, that mic first, or something like that. I mean, that's what I'm telling myself. Don't let anything be the reason of not starting, because ultimately you don't need anything else to start but yourself. I want to inspire people through YouTube videos, through photography, through camera, through videography as well, and I want to break free from the 9 to 5 life. That's why I choose YouTube, because I love taking photos, I love taking videos, I love creating content like this. So you should do the same too. Just figure out what you want to do and just do it. No more excuses, tell it to yourself, no more excuses. So those are the 6 things, not 5, but 6 things you need to get started on YouTube in 2019. So what do you think of the list? Did I miss anything out? Let me know down in the comment section below. Or are you just like me when I first get started, like excuses all the time? Let me know down in the comment section below as well. I would love to hear your excuses, and I guess it would be funny to know them too. Smash that like button if you like this video 2019 style, and if you don't, that's okay. Let me know in the comments down below and I'll improve next time. Please subscribe to my channel, it will mean so much to me, and again, thanks for watching.